3 squared means 3 times 3 equals 9, right? 9 divided by 3 minus 3 times 3. Now 9 divided by 3 equals 3, right? Minus 3 and times 3. Now 3 minus 3 equals 0 times 3, and 0 times 3 equals 0. But this is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because subtraction and addition must be done after multiplication and division, right? Not before multiplication and division. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Multiplication and division from left to right, then addition and subtraction from left to right. So 3 squared equals 3 times 3 equals 9, right? Divided by 3 minus 3 times 3. Now divide. 9 divided by 3 equals 3 minus 3 times 3. Now multiply first. 3 minus 3 times 3 equals 9, and now 3 minus 9 equals minus 6.